How to fix this app can't be activated when UAC is disabled. Error on Windows. 1. Reconfigure UAC settings using the Run command dialog box. 2. Configure UAC settings using the control panel. 3. How to configure settings in the local group policy editor. Enable user account control, admin approval mode for the built-in administrator account option at computer configuration window settings security settings local policy security options in local group policy editor, LGPE. 4. Configure settings in the registry editor. Set the value data to 1 and enable LUA@H key _local _machine /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /policies /system in registry editor. 5. Install the latest Windows updates.